There are thousands of videos you will get on YouTube if you search how to make biryani. Welcome to Kitchen with a Knife. Today, we will see how we can make mutton biryani or goat biryani in a very simple and fast way. Yet, use most of the ingredients that are used in traditional biryani making and make it as delicious as possible. First, we will marinate the chicken. With so many videos on YouTube, I think we don't have to explain what is marination. It's all about the spices. Most of the failed biryani recipes are mainly due to two factors: wrong choice of meat and lack of patience. Add the chili powder and salt as per your taste buds choice. There are some cooking mistakes also that we normally do, which we will cover later. Normally, curd and oil are good enough to make the meat tender. However, if you are not sure about the tenderness of your meat, you can buy a tenderizer from grocery and add it while marination. You can also add 2 to 3 spoons of papaya or pineapple paste, which will work as a tenderizer. We will fry the onions first till it is red and crispy. This is one of the most important ingredients to bring that delicate taste in the biryani. Here we are adding fresh ginger and garlic paste to the marinated mutton. But we will also add crushed fried onions to it, to give it a nice aroma. Finally, we are ready for preparing the dish. Of course, the harder work in preparing all the ingredients, the better the final result will be. Once we add the spices and the marinated goat pieces, we will cook it for 15 to 20 minutes. Now, it's time to discuss the top 3 cooking mistakes while making a biryani while the meat is getting cooked. Number 1. Rice to meat ratio should be 1:1. Number 2. Always use a thick bottom skillet when you are preparing the final layering. Finally, for perfect biryani look, every grain of rice should be separate. The overcooked meshy rice is nightmare for any biryani lover. Make sure rice is about 70% cooked. After soaking, boil basmati rice for 10 minutes or less. Always check for visual signs. Finally, we have successfully made a delicious perfect mutton dum biryani. Serve it and enjoy. If you like this video and want us to do more videos like this, let us know in comments section below.
It's one night, it's one word.